This video for those who are suffering of back pain. It's very good stretching and releasing for sore back. So let's start and take a few breaths. With a next exhale, curve your back. Bring your chin to your chest and suck your belly in. Feel how you turn your pelvis in. It will give you nice feeling, nice stretching in your lower back. Now cross your legs, find comfortable position and arching your back with inhale and then curving your back with exhale. Repeat few times. Move your head up and down. Let's make side stretch. Bring your hand to opposite knee and stretch your side. Keep your pelvis grounded. Now bring both hands to opposite knees, suck your belly in and curve your back. With next exhale, roll down. Bring your knees to your chest and rotate your knees one way and then another way. This is a very nice massage for your lower back. Keep your breathing, make your knees tabletop position and open your hands wider. Keep your knees 90 degrees and twist from side to side. Keep your shoulder blades on the ground. This exercise is a great stretching for lower back. It's very good also core exercise. Move your head from side to side and then keep your knees to one side and extend your legs as much as it's comfortable for you. Then release your knees on the ground and relax. Check your shoulders, keep it down on your mat. Change side, extend your legs. Breathe, then bend your knees and release, relax. Bring your knees to your chest and then bring your feet down on the width of your pelvis and twist from side to side. This exercise will give you good stretch and good feeling in your lower back. Sit down smoothly, grab your knees, round your back and arch your back. Repeat few times. Friends, when you curve your back, your chin should be on your chest. Let's make diamond position. Your toes together, your knees open wider. And repeat the same movement. Curve and arch your back. Inhale, arch. Breathe out, curve. Guys, try to keep more attention to your pelvis movement. When you do your curve, when you round your back, feel how you turn your pelvis in. Bring your knees together and roll down, roll up. Rolling over. Guys, if you feel discomfort in this position, in this exercise, you just miss it. Lay down your back, bring your knee to your chest, and let's make spinal twist. Keep your shoulders on your mat. Gaze at another side, opposite side of your knee. Bring your foot to opposite hip and release your knee down. It's a great hip opener. Guys, bring your hip to your chest and let's stretch our glute muscles and our lower back. Then change your leg and repeat spinal twist. In this position, relax, check your shoulders, keep it relaxed. Open your hip joint. And then bring both legs to your chest as close as it's possible for you. Keep breathing. Try to make any stretching movement with long exhale. Guys, let's make few rotations with your knees. Imagine that you paint a circle on the ceiling. Gently sit down, cross your legs. Bring your hands back and arch your back. With exhale, put your hands on the back of your head and stretch your cervical spine, your neck. Don't try to press hardly, just a little bit to stretch your neck. As few movement your head from side to side. Don't drop back your head, okay? Keep it forward. Thank you, guys. I wish you